Hey friends, it's me Alfredo. This is a 2004 Cadillac CTS. We're gonna be checking the oil level on this one, and it's a nice sunny day today, so let's get to it. All right, now you wanna locate the oil dipstick. Is gonna be right here, right here in the left side, the engine compartment, right by the driver's side of the engine compartment. This yellow handle right here. Okay, so you just wanna pull it out, you know, put a rag or a napkin, something, make sure you don't spill oil on your engine. Just clean it. See, I want to show you here. You can see. So now here it's like the higher level, this is the lower level, so your oil should be like around the center here. Okay, so let's see where it is, this car. Okay, so I don't know if you can notice there. See where the oil is? It's right there in the center. So that's pretty much like a perfect oil level. Okay. Okay, now you know it. So I want to show you here. You see that the oil dipstick, it's got like two O-rings there. Those are so that make sure those O-rings are there. You know, because sometimes for some reason they get bristled over time and they fell off, and then you can get like oil leaking from the dipstick tube. I want to show you where the dipstick tube is. I don't know if you can see it down there. There it is. All right, friend, that's it. There's not much to it, you know, pretty easy. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please give us some likes and subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments or questions about this car, you can leave them in the comments below. Thank you.